99% of YouTube channel will never grow. Why? It is not because YouTube is broken, and it's not because success is reserved for a lucky few, but it is because most creators make the same mistake that stop their growth before it even starts. So today I will break down why many channels fail and how you can avoid part of that 99%. The first reason is inconsistency. A lot of creators, they upload one video and wait for it to blow up, and when it does not, they stop uploading. There is this upcoming YouTuber who commented on my video that is posting but it's not getting views, even though he's posting the right way, the right time and the right things, but it's not getting views. Then I go through his channel and I got to notice that he's posting video only 2 times a month. The truth is, YouTube is built in momentum. The algorithm favors channels that show up regularly because it signals reliability and give YouTube more data to recommend you. So without consistency, your channel look inactive and it is nearly impossible to build an audience. So another big reason is content quality. I don't mean you need expensive camera or fancy editing, but what I mean is clarity and value. Most creators fail because the video is boring, unclear, or don't solve any problem for their viewers. If your video does not answer any question or entertaining within the first few seconds, viewers will click away, and when people click away, YouTube will stop recommending your content. So that is why the majority of some YouTube channels never break out. And the third reason is unrealistic expectation. Many people think YouTube is a get rich quickly platform. They post 5 to 10 videos, but they don't see results, so they quit. Right now, they don't realize growth takes time, strategies and patience. Those successful creators you see today are the ones who keep learning, testing, improving, even if their first 100 video does not perform well. So the fourth mistake you are making right now is ignoring the realities. YouTube gives free data about how people are watching your video, where they click off, how long they stay, and which thumbnail gets most clicks. But most creators never look at it and they keep uploading, adjusting. That is like driving with your eyes closed. The channel that grow are the one that use the realities to double down what is working and fix what is not working. The fifth reason is no clear niche. Most small creators post randomly, gaming today, cooking tomorrow, lifestyle next tomorrow, and the problem is YouTube don't know who to recommend the video to, and the audience don't have any reason to subscribe. Growth comes from when your channel is focused on one audience, one niche, and one content people actually know you for. So once you are establishing, then you can branch out. And finally, the biggest reason why 99% of channels never grow is because they give up too soon. 90% of creators never make it past 20 to 30 uploads before giving up. But the one secret you are not knowing is that success on YouTube usually come after 50 to 100 videos, or sometimes 200 videos. The people who win are not the most talented, but the one who keep going when others are quitting. So if you want to escape the 99% of channels that will never grow, here's the truth. Firstly, be consistent. Second, post valuable content. Third, study your realities. And the last and not the least is to focus on one particular niche and manage your expectation. And if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my video. So right now I put a link on my YouTube bio where you can support my YouTube channel financially through seller. So I'm waiting for your support right now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.